Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Afifah from 9A at Junior High School 1 of Trawulan. Today, I'm going to tell a story. The title of the story is The Legend of Banyuwangi. Once upon a time, in the edge of East Java Island, there was a kingdom named Lambangan. The kingdom was led by a king named King Sulah Kromo. He assisted by a brave Patih named Patih Sidopekso. Patih Sidopekso had a very beautiful wife named Sri Tanjung. Because of her beauty, the king was crazy about her. The king had made a plan to take away Sri Tanjung from Patih Sidopekso. He ordered Patih Sidopekso to do a mission that was very dangerous, so that Patih Sidopekso would be died there. Without suspicion, Patih Sidopekso went to do the king's command. When Patih Sidopekso was going on his duty, King Sulah Kromo seduced Sri Tanjung in order to be his wife. However, Sri Tanjung stayed faithful to Patih Sidopekso. The king was angry because he was rejected by Sri Tanjung. After getting back from his duty, Patih Sidopekso went to see the king in the hall. The king told to Patih Sidopekso that Sri Tanjung was seduced him. Patih Sidopekso was upset to hear that. He felt he had been betrayed by his wife that he loved. Then he went to meet his wife and asked for the truth immediately. But Sri Tanjung denied her husband's question. Nevertheless, Patih Sidopekso more believed to the king than his wife. And then he got mad and dragged his wife to the edge of turbid river. He was so angry there and wanted to kill his wife. Then Sri Tanjung asked for a last request. She said, "If you don't trust me anymore, you may kill me and throw my body into the river. But when the water turns clean, it means I'm right. If it doesn't change," the king was right. Patih Sidopekso couldn't stand his anger, and then he stabbed his wife with a knife, and he threw his wife's body into the river. Unexpectedly, the turbid river turned into clean and diffused the fragrance. Seeing the incident, Patih Sidopekso realized that his wife was innocent. And then he screamed loudly, "Banyuwangi!" He cried with shedding tears and regretted what he had done. Therefore, until now, the place where Sri Tanjung died is called Banyuwangi City. Banyuwangi in English means fragrance water. Well, this is enough for my story about the legend of Banyuwangi. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.